to another video. So today we're going to be doing a 3D gonk nail using 3D carving gel. We're going to be doing a bit of freehand checkered print. We're going to be doing a bit of crystal placement. We're going to be doing a little bit of all sorts. Now, I saw a design done by a really talented nail artist called NAILSWITHGG on Instagram. And then I also saw Nails by Andy Divine do a very similar set. And this set is going to be a kind of mishmash of the two together. So we'll see how it goes, shall we? The gel polishes I'm going to be using today are Umikk's U217, which is the bright red. Umikk U217, which is a black. So I'm going to start off by doing the pinky nail, a full coat of the Umikk U217. Cure that for 30 seconds. The middle nail is also going to be a full cover of black. Now on this ring fingernail, I just want the top bit to be black. Probably about 1/3. Now on this index, I'm going to be doing a full coat of U217, which is this bright pillar box red. And then on the bottom of this ring finger, I'm going to go in with the red. So I'm going to pop some of this Umikk U217 on my palette. So I found that a little bit dark, so I'm going to add some base coat. Give it a bit of a mix up. And that's just going to make it more sheer. Make sure you coat all the bristles, guys, as well, because that's the best way to get a straight line. Cure that for 30 seconds. And now I'm going to coat my bristles again. Take off the excess. And now we're going to go crossways. Now, these lines need to be the same thickness as the vertical lines, or else it's going to look odd. So I'm going to cure that for 30 seconds. So I'm going to do the exact same on this nail. on the red part. Cure that for 30 seconds. So now I've popped some of that Umikk U217, the black gel polish, on my palette. I'm now going to fill in these little squares. So where these black lines meet, like there, 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 I'm going to fill those in with the black gel polish. And then once I've done that on this nail, I'm going to also do that on the ring fingernail as well. But I'm going to do that off camera, guys, because it's the exact same process and I don't want this video to get too long. So that's that one done. Now we're on to the middle nail, which is the Gonk nail. So I've pulled out my Yayoge 3D carving gel. I'm going to pull out a teeny tiny bit. I'm going to roll it up. Stick his nose down. So I'm going to cure that for 30 seconds. Now I've pulled out my pink carving gel. Now the reason I'm using this pink, guys, is because I do not have a red. So this is the closest that I've got to a red. So it's not an issue because we can go in and paint it afterwards. So now I'm going to roll that into a kind of sausage. When you're working with this carving gel, just add a little bit of water to your finger and that'll get rid of any stickiness. And I want to kind of lay that around his nose. That. Cure that for 30 seconds. Now what we're going to do is hat. So with the hat, needs to join that other pink bit. I'm just trying to make like little dents and sticky up bits, and that just adds to the detail, you know. So I'm going to cure that. Now I've pulled out the Fairy Glow white. I just want to pop that there. So I'm going to cure that for 30 seconds. So I pulled another little blob of white out. And I'm just going to stick that on the end of his hat. Cure that for 30 seconds. So now I've pulled out some of this SKVP Gypsum Gel. I'm gonna use that to give this beard some more texture. And I'm also going to do it on the bobble too. So now I'm going to use the Umikk U217. I'm going to change his hat to red. Cure that for 30 seconds. So now I'm going to use that jelly black mixture. I'm going to do that checkered pattern on the hat. So now I'm just applying half a snowflake 5D sticker on the black part of this nail and some silver striping tape, and then on this nail I'm just going to apply 3 little snowflakes, and these stickers are from Nice Needed website. I did a video recently showing these. Really nice stickers to use. Put that there. That's that one done. So I have pulled out the Rosalind gem glue, and I'm going to apply that. Just where I want it. And I'm going to stick these into that uncured gem glue. Cure that. I'm now going to apply the Umikk matte top coat around those crystals into the hole of the nail. See, I could have matte top coated before I applied that gem glue and the gems, but I just find doing it this way, it creates a kind of seal between the crystal and the nail. Then before I cure that matte top coat, I'm just going to pop these little red teardrop crystals into that top coat. If I was doing these on my nails, I would have applied gem glue again and stuck them with gem glue, but because it's just on tips, I'm going to stick it into the top coat. So I'm going to cure that for 60 seconds. Right guys, so they are all ready to be top coated now. So I'm going to be using the Umikk matte top coat. I'm going to flip that one upside down because them 5D stickers are quite raised, so pop that one in the lamp. Same again with this one. Nice generous coat. So I'm gonna apply that to the black background. And then I'm also going to apply it to his hat. So there we are guys, that is them all done. What do you think? I actually think they look quite cool. I really like them. Do you think they should have been matte or shiny? Let me know what you guys think would have been best. That Gonk nose is a little big, but you know, Gonks do have big noses, just probably not that big, but got a little bit carried away with his nose, hey. And that gypsum gel is really weird stuff, but it's great for what I needed it for. It did a perfect job. Look at his beard. It done a really good job of that, didn't it? So there we are. As always guys, you'll find all the products that I used today listed in my description box below. That is everything what we used in today's video. But like I said, I shall leave everything listed below anyway, guys. If there's anything that you're interested in purchasing, you shall be able to find it all in my description box. So I think that's everything for this video. I really hope you like them. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, I'd love it if you would. I'm really going to try my hardest this coming year to hit 1K, guys. I really would like to get monetized this coming year. So please, if you're not already subscribed, hit that subscribe button and hit the little notification bell. That way, every time I upload a new video, you'll be notified. Thank you ever so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.